What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Luna token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that this asset forms almost perfect channel, and I've told you that we might hover for quite some time around the upper border, the upper resistance of this channel. Then we have to have a retracement, and we should hit at least the lower border of this channel in order to collect more steam and potentially go higher. And I also told you that we might even break this channel to the downside, and this will be a perfect accumulation points for those of you who didn't enter the position right here. And as you can see, this asset acts perfectly well. We hover for quite some time along this upper resistance. Then we even break the upper resistance, then had a good retracement. We hit the range of lower support, and from this point we went even higher. And let me show you on a daily time frame, on a 4 hours time frame basically, that we have several targets and we hit 2 out of 3. And let me show you that to project these targets, I pulled the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. And we had basically three targets. First one was at $84, second one at 92.71, and the most aggressive was at $117.81. And as you can see, we hit second target to the tick, and from our entry price we might have about 27% to this target. And congratulations to all of you who took this trade. You're up for about 27%. So, and what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. And we are hovering around $2.3 trillion of total market cap. It is 1.82% increase over the last day. And major cryptocurrencies, I mean Bitcoin and Ethereum, moving pretty much sideways. Ethereum lost about 1.27% and Bitcoin lost about 0.68% during last 24 hours. And let me show you the Luna numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $32.22 billion. It's down for about 4.8%. And the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $4.68 billion. It's up for about 45%. So, quite huge movement and a huge increase in volume during this latest price action. And let me show you the news that might drive the price even further. First of all, on December 22nd, we have this one on Seeking Alpha, and it's titled Terra Coins Surge to New Heights Amid Rising Open Interest, Negative Funding, CoinDesk. And let me quote you this. Terra tokens rise more than 10% intraday to a new record high of $97.77 per coin as open interest source, along with persistent negative funding. Crypto derivatives tracking platform Levitas told CoinDesk via Twitter chat. Smart contract blockchain Terra's native token Luna jumps 123% just in the past month and up more than 2000% year over year, making it the 9th largest digital coin by market cap, according to data from CoinMarketCap. People appear to be shorting Luna perpetual futures, a futures contract without an expiry date, as open interest represented by the amount of dollars locked in the perpetual futures contract doubles to $394 million since mid-December, CoinDesk reports. Since mid-December, funding rates have remained negative, a sign that short traders have been dominant and paying long traders, CoinDesk notes. The price increase over the last few days was likely triggered by investors buying spot Luna to lock up in the Astroport lock drop, then hedging their position via perpetual futures to remain delta neutral. CoinDesk cites analytics firm Delphi Digital in a note published Monday. So it's quite unusual strategy for the majority of people, but it is quite obvious for experienced trader that in order to receive several coins from the airdrop, you buy certain asset on a spot market and then open short position for the same amount of money to lock up the profits and losses on this asset in order to receive only these coins to be 100% profitable. So quite obvious step, and you have to keep this step in mind. So let me show you another article that was published just 8 hours ago on mbcrypto.com, and it's titled Terra prospects perk up as it surpasses Binance Smart Chain, but watch out for these signs. And let me quote you this. 21st December was an important day for Terra as the network officially overtook the Binance Smart Chain in terms of the total value locked. Given that within 3 days the same increased by 71.6% to become the second biggest DeFi chain in the world. Now, whether or not it is absolutely valid is yet to be determined. In any case, a notable rise was also observed in some of the protocols on Terra, led by Loop Finance, as the protocol's TVL went up by 177% over the week. And definitely this news might be one of the catalysts that was the reason of this massive surge in price. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's zoom out a little bit and switch to daily time frame. And let me show you this ugly candle. As you can see, this candle, it is a shooting star and it is a very bearish candle, especially when you can see this huge volume. And this candle shows the potential trend reversal, because bulls tries to push the price up, but then bears regain the control and push the price even lower. And this means from this point, most likely we will have a trend reversal and we will have some kind of period of consolidation phase. This means, in my opinion, it is not the best point to enter another long position to hit our next target of $117.81. So, and let me show you indicators. Right here on a daily time frame, we are hovering right around the border of neutral and overbought territory. So technically we still have room to grow, but in my opinion we have to have some retracement, some deeper retracement in order to cool this price action. And if we switch to 4 hours time frame, as you can see, we were hovering at the overbought territory, and since then we are pretty much in the neutral territory. And this means we still have a possibility to move higher on the 4 hours period, but overall the sentiment is quite bearish, because we just have this crossover and we started to tick to the downside, and this means this massive volume as well shows that we might go even lower. So what should you do? In my opinion, just wait for a couple of days, because if you already have about 27% of profits from my previous call, it is quite good profits within just 3 days of trading. And if you want to enter next position, just wait. We have to have more confirmation signs that we have a certain trend in order to gain from this trend. So, and I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Congratulations to all of you who took my call and who entered the trade somewhere at this point and who made about 27%. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!